Hello friends, in today's session I am going to explain further concept abstraction and inheritance. In last session I have discussed about object and classes. Now in today's session I am going to explain abstraction and inheritance. Abstraction and inheritance. So let's get started with those. Yes. So, what is abstraction? Abstraction is the process which displays only the information needed and hides the unnecessary information. It means abstraction is abstraction is the main purpose of abstraction is data hiding. Abstract method are used when two and more subclasses do the same task in different ways through different implementation. An abstract class can have both method, that is abstract method and regular method. So the conclusion of this abstraction is data hiding, which is basically used to show only the important thing and other thing which is hiding by the abstraction class. We can take this example, right? So this is abstract class animal where there is an abstract function sound, public abstract void sound and then close. So this is abstract method. So here there is no, this is only definition, but the declaration is not the responsibility for the abstract class, like the class in which the abstract method is assigned. It is responsibility for the other classes who inherit that class. So here we have declared only abstract method. Now we have another class, that is lion, which inherit animal, which inherit this animal. So by default this abstract method sound already there in this already inherit, after this extend already inherit this one, and now it's a responsibility for lion to declare what comes inside this sound. So public void sound, inside it system.out.println and row. So what this sound for alone is row. Now we are going to display the function, like call this function. So what we gonna do, we gonna like create the object of this. So animal obj is equal to new lion. So new line here, and this is animal. It means like it is the one of the installation, like initiation method we can use. Like animal object obj is the object of animal, but the initialization is for the line class. When we call this obj dot sound, it will go to the line function, line class under this sound and print the row. So what is the output for this row? If we want to add another class inside, like here, so we have created line. Suppose we have created another class like public class, but let's suppose extend animal, and then start of this public void sound out of this, then system dot out dot println is equal to chip. So I am telling the sound of word is chip. Now how this gonna print this chip? So here the row will print as we have discussed. Now here we can use as animal obj1 is equal to new bird. Bird is nothing, it's a class that we have created here. Now obj 1 dot sound. So which sound it will call? This one. So the output would be chip. So it is the abstraction method. How it is called abstraction method? Because lion does not know about the sound of this bird, and bird does not know about the sound of lion. So it is hiding, and the main important information that the both class knows is about their own sound. So this is all about the abstraction. Now I'll discuss about the inheritance. Inheritance is a method in which one object acquires and inherits the other object. It means there is a one class and there is a second class. So the inheritance is the purpose to take the properties of the base class to the derived class. It is a concept of reusability rather than to create a duplicacy of properties. We can use inheritance. Now there are five type of inheritance: single, multiple, and multi-level, multiple, hybrid, and hierarchical. So I'm going to start with the single level. Single level inheritance is nothing but a simple like this. If there is a class and there is a B class. So this is base and this is drive. So how this gonna how we can declare, like how we can use it? Class A, this is class A, and class B, this is class B, and it extends the property of this class A. So whatever there in a class A, it automatically goes here, and then class B can use, class B object can use the class A properties. This is what? This is single level inheritance. Now there is multi-level inheritance. One class is derived from another class, which is also derived from the another class. So what is multi-level here? Multi-level, let's suppose this this is single level, this is multi-level. How we can, why we can say this multi-level? Since it is level 1, level 2, level 3, it is multi-level. So it is inherited by this and it is inherited by this. So here class B inherits class A and class C inherits class B. So it means class C can take the property of class B and also can take the property of class A, which is public only, private and protected. This class C not able to access. Even private properties cannot be accessed by class B as well. Now hierarchical level. What is hierarchical level? In this, one parental class has two and more derived class. We can say that two and more child class have the one parent class. So the the diagram of this hierarchical level is, let's suppose this is A, this is B, and this is C. It means B can inherit A and C can also inherit A. So this is nothing. This is hierarchical 1. So here, like class A, class B extend class A, and class C extend class A. So class B can take the property of class A and class C directly can take the property of class A. This is how the hierarchical is. Now, for an example of an inheritance is, if we have created a one class, that is add, here we have my, by, and in total. There are three variables inside it. See, this one. And we have one function set my by, which is have argument, that is xy and hy. So what is xy and hy doing? they the value that would be coming in this variable, it is going to set the variable of my y. Now it has also one function, that is sum, which is total my plus dy. Now we have a class B as well, which extend A means which inherits this particular class add. Now there is a main static function. Here inside its main, we are creating the object of class B, this class. So B class sub object is equal to new B, correct? Now this particular object is calling set my by. Set my by is not a part of class B, but it is a part of add, which is inherited by the class B. So it can directly call this with the parameter 10, 12. So 10 and 12 is stored by x and x, y and hy, and what is going to perform, it is going to perform like my is equal to 10 and y is equal to 12. It is going to initialize a value here. Now what is it is going to do? Sum. So sum here, it's a total of my plus y. So 10 plus 12 is equal to 22. So what it is going to display? It's subtotal dot total. Subtotal dot total is the variable of this class add. So it is going to print class 20. So I hope you understood about the inheritance part. So I have discussed about the inheritance in today's session and encapsulation in today's session. So hope you understood about the inheritance and abstractions. If you have any questions, please comment me out. If you have any numerical, if you want me to solve that numerical, please comment me out. I'll make another video to solve that question. So in the next session, I will explain polymorphism and encapsulation. So please do like, share and subscribe so that you will get the more update and more topics. Thank you.